Transform your garden and backyard with these 20 useful Amazon gadgets. These tools and accessories can help you keep your outdoor space neat, comfortable, and enjoyable. I have listed the best options to make gardening easier and outdoor living better. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Check them out and see which ones work best for you. Seeding Square Seed and Seedling Spacer. Helping gardeners achieve a bountiful harvest, this seed spacing template is inspired by the square-foot gardening method, making planting simple and efficient for all skill levels. By ensuring precise spacing, it maximizes yield by up to 5 times while reducing weeds and water evaporation. Ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners, it fosters sustainable gardening. With its bright colors and easy 3-step process, press, poke, and plant, it turns gardening into a fun and productive experience. NextGen Garden Kneeler. Designed for comfort and convenience, this garden kneeler features sturdy handles to assist gardeners in kneeling and standing. Its dual-purpose design transforms into a cushioned bench, reducing strain on the back and legs. The non-slip legs ensure stability, while the lightweight, foldable construction makes it easy to transport and store. Built with durable steel tubing and a soft EVA kneeling pad, it supports up to 350 pounds, making gardening, fishing, and household tasks more comfortable and efficient. Family Claw Gardening Gloves. Combining durability and practicality, these gloves are made from puncture-resistant material with built-in plastic claws, making tasks like digging, raking, and planting effortless. The snug yet flexible fit ensures comfort, while the tough construction provides protection against dirt and sharp objects. Ideal for gardeners of all skill levels, they simplify outdoor work and eliminate the need for additional tools. With an ergonomic design that adapts to most hand sizes, they offer a convenient, all-in-one gardening solution. RamPro Plant Clips. Providing strong yet flexible plant support, these reusable clips are made from weatherproof, non-rusting spring steel wire, ensuring durability in any climate. Designed for easy one-hand operation, they secure delicate stems to stakes, cages, or trellises without damaging plants. Ideal for climbing and crawling plants, they help protect against wind and heavy rain while promoting healthy growth. With 40 clips in 2 sizes, they offer a reliable solution for keeping vegetables, flowers, and vines neatly supported. Velcro Brand Garden Ties. Crafted for secure plant support, these strong, reusable garden ties feature a non-slip grip to keep flowers and plants staked and bundled together. The soft material prevents damage to stems while allowing flexibility for growth. Designed to be cut to the desired length, they provide a customizable and adjustable solution. Built for year-round use, their weather-resistant grip ensures stability during storms, making them perfect for supporting tomato cages, climbing plants, and delicate blooms. Mulin Gardening Thumb Knife. Enhancing harvesting efficiency, this thumb knife set includes sharp stainless steel blades and anti-cutting finger sleeves for protection. The ergonomic silicone finger glove provides comfort, while the durable blade allows for easy cutting of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Perfect for quick and precise harvesting, it prevents nail stains and reduces strain on fingers. Ideal for professional gardeners and home growers alike, this portable kit simplifies pruning and harvesting tasks with safety and ease. 2Life Mini Chainsaw. Equipped with a powerful 550W pure copper motor, this compact chainsaw delivers high-speed cutting performance, making it perfect for trimming trees and branches up to 6 inches thick. Featuring an automatic oiling system for chain lubrication, it ensures smooth operation and extended durability. The included dual 21-volt rechargeable lithium-ion batteries provide long-lasting power. Enhanced with a safety lock system and an adjustable splash guard, it prioritizes user protection while tackling various gardening and woodworking tasks. Yamron Digital Plant Temperature. This multifunctional soil tester quickly measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight levels, ensuring optimal plant health. The advanced probe technology provides precise readings, while the large backlit LCD screen offers easy visibility in any lighting condition. Featuring a 45-degree rotating head for comfortable use, it allows gardeners to monitor soil conditions without bending over. Ideal for both novice and experienced growers, this tool simplifies plant care and enhances gardening efficiency with scientific accuracy. Fiddle Leaf Fig Tree Plant Food. Formulated to promote lush growth and strong root development, this premium plant food provides essential nutrients for fiddle leaf figs without harmful urea. Designed for easy integration into any plant care routine, it supports vibrant foliage year-round. Certified for safety and created by a woman-owned business, it ensures quality and reliability. The purchase includes a free care webinar and ebook, offering expert guidance on maintaining a healthy and thriving fiddle leaf fig at home. Meperes Garden Clippers. Engineered for precision and durability, these sharp, wear-resistant garden clippers are ideal for pruning herbs, small branches, and houseplants. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for efficient cutting with minimal effort. Designed for various horticultural tasks, they provide clean cuts without crushing stems. Featuring an effective locking mechanism for safety, they maintain sharpness over time and can even tackle thicker branches, making them a reliable tool for home and professional gardening. Sharp Pebble Garden Tool. Equipped with an advanced sharpening system, this multi-sharpener keeps a variety of tools razor sharp, from knives and hunting gear to lawnmower blades, axes, machetes, pruners, and shears. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it ensures peak performance with cleaner cuts for healthier plants. Compact and portable, it fits into everyday carry gear, making it perfect for gardening, camping, and survival situations, offering convenience and efficiency wherever sharpening is needed. Craft Saint Seed Organizer. A black opaque seed storage box protects seeds from premature energy allocation by blocking light exposure. Featuring transparent bottles for easy content visibility, it includes blank labels for custom titles and colored labels for categorization. Constructed from durable yet lightweight plastic, this compact organizer is ideal for safely storing seeds, herbs, and pollen. With 60 plastic bottles and dividers, it keeps everything neatly arranged for gardeners and herbalists alike. Cronley Rustic Garden Sign. Designed for both charm and durability, this decorative metal garden stake adds personality to any outdoor space. Crafted with a stainless steel look, it is weather-resistant and long-lasting, making it a perfect addition to gardens, plant pots, or fences. Simply insert it into the soil, and its humorous, nostalgic design enhances the garden's appeal. A true eye-catcher, it brings a playful touch to flower beds and green spaces. HKNBJ Garden Weed Puller Tool. Built with high-quality manganese steel, this ergonomic weeder tool is wear-resistant and highly durable, making it ideal for various gardening tasks. Its sharp, pointed tip allows for easy weed removal, even in tight spaces, without the need for manual pulling. Perfect for digging, loosening soil, and planting, it's a reliable tool for both home gardens and larger agricultural tasks. Lightweight and effective, it simplifies everyday yard work effortlessly. Tonyalax Solar Garden Lights. Designed to mimic the gentle sway of fireflies, these solar-powered garden lights move with the wind for a mesmerizing display. Featuring flexible iron wires and heavy-duty bulb bases, they enhance the sway effect for a more realistic firefly-like motion. Completely wireless and easy to install, they provide beautiful ambient lighting without the need for electricity. Simply plant them in the garden and enjoy an enchanting nighttime atmosphere with no hassle. Bubblegum Stuff Automatic Watering System. An effortless plant care solution, this self-watering 4-bag system ensures plants receive the hydration they need. Holding 350 milliliters of water, it provides up to 7 days of automatic drip irrigation, keeping small houseplants healthy while owners are away. Simple to use, it eliminates plant parent guilt by taking the stress out of watering. A unique and fun gift for plant lovers, it's perfect for anyone prone to forgetting to water their plants. Guardi's Relief Leaf Scoops. These oversized leaf claws make yard work faster and more efficient, allowing users to gather large amounts of leaves, grass clippings, and debris with ease. Featuring a closed design for minimal spills, they also provide hand protection against stinging plants and thorns. Their lightweight, ergonomic build ensures comfort during use, and they conveniently fit together for compact storage. Ideal for gardening, fruit picking, mulch spreading, and even pet mess cleanup. Foxmas Miniature Frog Garden Statue. This charming solar-powered frog figurine adds a playful and whimsical touch to any garden or indoor space. Handcrafted with durable resin, it is waterproof and resistant to fading, making it suitable for outdoor use in all weather conditions. The built-in solar panel charges during the day and automatically lights up at night for up to 8 hours, providing cozy illumination. A delightful decorative piece that blends modern design with functional lighting. HNXTYAOB Repotting Mat. Made of thick, waterproof PE fabric, this repotting mat offers a clean and convenient solution for indoor and outdoor gardening. Its foldable design includes snap buttons on the corners to keep soil contained, preventing messes during potting, pruning, or fertilizing. Easy to clean, quick drying, and reusable, it's perfect for transplanting succulents, herbs, or houseplants. Compact and portable, it provides a tidy workspace for garden enthusiasts and hobbyists. WorkPro Garden Tool Bag. Constructed from durable 600D Oxford fabric, this spacious gardening bag offers ample storage for tools and accessories. With 6 front pockets, 2 deep side pockets, and an elastic cord for extra capacity, it keeps essentials organized and easily accessible. The anti-slip, ergonomic strap handle ensures comfort during transport, reducing strain while carrying heavier loads. Whether for gardening, yard maintenance, or professional landscaping, this sturdy tool bag is built for convenience and efficiency. Transforming your garden and backyard has never been easier with these 20 amazing Amazon gadgets. Whether you're looking to create a lush paradise, enhance your outdoor ambience, or make yard work a breeze, these smart tools and accessories have you covered. Want to get your hands on these game-changing gadgets? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy gardening!